am standing near the Bomar hatch of this 2004 Regal 2665 Commodore. It's in very, very, very nice shape. As you can see, electric anchor windlass. Looking for sun pad on the foredeck. Large Bomar hatch for ventilation. Nice bow pulpit and rails all around. Three-piece full windshield with a doored one in the middle. Coming back into the cockpit now, cockpit area. To starboard is the console, companionway, cockpit sink, cooler, and back seat. Back seat folds down into a giant sun pad or double berth, queen size berth even if you want. Coming back now around the front. Step up into the windscreen area. Large locker port here. Hold a whole lot of things. Cooler, sink, tap. Another locker underneath. Then the rear seats facing each other. Once again, these fold down into a very, very large sun pad area. Engines underneath here. You've already seen pictures of that. Transom door leading out to the transom area. Three very large hatches in the stern for fenders, anchors, spare lines, what have you, ski tow eye, and then the transom itself. Great area for swimming, diving, whatever, and a nice ladder on the side. I'm just giving you the panorama again of the interior. The bimini comes all the way back to the rear seat, so it's an extra length bimini. I think he said 4 feet were added to it. It's a really nice feature on a really hot day. The tide is quite low at the moment, so it's not easy to get the whole thing in. To all appearances, the top sides look really nice. The hull looks good, but it's low in the water, so it's really hard to get any kind of a definite on it. This is just to give you an idea, though. Very nice little cruiser. Quick video of the interior. I am standing roughly midships here at the base of the Salon, you'd call it. Flat screen TV, wraparound sofa, nice big Bomar hatch, lighting all around. Table, which actually works on the inside and the outside. So coming back here, you can see the upholstery is in fantastic shape. And then looking back, you'll see the galley area. Air conditioning is on, running well, thank goodness. It's a very, very hot day. Microwave oven, sink area, one burner electric stove, really never been used. Lots of shelf space. There is a fridge, once again never been used, clean as a whistle, and a large space underneath the stove, and another storage space further on back. So you can get quite a few things in here. Great for weekend cruising. Just to give you an idea. And to starboard is the fully enclosed. Look at the woodwork on this thing. Isn't this beautiful? Shiny. Very nice. And looking into the head compartment itself, sparkling clean. Sink, Everything you need. I believe there's attachment for a shower. And a storage shelf in here on the corner. Very nice little headspace. And then underneath the starboard side of the cockpit, you have a nice little bedroom area, I guess you'd call it, with a curtain that closes for privacy. Great place for guests or yourself. Got a nice mirrored compartment. Lots of space in here. And another space down here, which looks like it's cedar lined, actually, which is a very nice touch. These are very, very nice quality boats. And then a cushioned area underneath here, and a very large, I would say, easily double berth that goes back under the cockpit area. Great place to be. And then, of course, the companionway hatch, which has a slider on top. You can slide it back, and a folding door. Very nice functional little layout for a little cruiser. Since we have it open, 5.7 GI.